Let's see how to install Anubhav app from Meta Horizon Store. Open Meta Horizon Store. Click on the search icon. Now enter the name Anubhav and click on the search icon on the keyboard. You can see the app here. Now click on it and then click on the download button. This will start downloading the application. Now wait for download to complete. Once the download is complete, the application will start installing. Now you can start the application by clicking on the Start button, or you can find the application by opening the library. You can find and access the application from here. Let's start the application by clicking on the Start button. Now, if you are starting the application for the first time, then this pop-up would appear. Make sure to tick the Save My Preferences checkbox and click Allow. Enter the login code provided to you and click Login. You can select the standard from here. Click Next. Here you need to click on Anubhav Tour. Click on the Explore button. You can see this pop-up. Make sure to tick the Save My Preferences checkbox and click Allow. You can see the message showing that user has no permission given. Just click Scan, and another pop-up will appear. Here select Precise Location, and again make sure to tick the Save My Preferences checkbox and click Allow. After allowing all the permissions, you can scan and connect to the Anubhav chair.